Kain guys!
Kain guys, napala ka ng bali.
Busog ko pang chicken nito.
Ubus ko malaki ng chicken ng pizza na bela.
Mukbang.
Dami.
Ang laki naman ng chicken na baba.
Crunchy.
Crunchy. Dito yung gravy.
Kumakawa.
Baka kasi matapon sila dito places.
Sarap.
Tapos na sa church.
Another
Today,
bite.
we're gonna try Jollibee.
Ate, tap ko na sa church ko.
Big bite, big bite.
Ano na Jollibee? I might put some mommy and daddy.
And Pizza Hut and Jollibee.
Jollibee. Pizza,
Yes, guys.
chicken ng palaka.
We visited Philippines.
And we
Yes,
eat
kain kami.
Jollibee. Jollibee is basin.
Yeah.
Bas
Oh,
ko
malaki.
mami daddy, ben ko mami daddy.
Crunchy.
Ben ko mami daddy pang pizza and
Ay, si Tita
kain.
Jing. Thank you kay Tita Jing. Anong mami?
Thank you,
Tita
Tita Jane,
Jane.
for the Jollibee
Oy.
and the Pizza Hut
Yes.
Tapos sa chicken
and the gravy
And there you go.
and the donut with the
Kutsara, guys.
chicharon.
Uy! Leg kay Pepe oh.
Ah.
Ulit tayo.
Ayoko, gusto ko ng leg.
Ay, we're Americanos.
Dami nila atik pay.
We are very tall, like this.
Yeah, we're slenders.
Where is that Dina?
Almost none.
Ayoko siya.
Jollibee chicken is so big.
Chicken number 3,
I will
mama.
dominate this.
Yung gusto ng chicken.
Buso mo yan.
Hey!
Ay.
Don't sit your hand in my hand because it will like, no.
May
Crunchiness.
tugat na ako, may tugat na ako. Nalibo na ako.
Mayroong kumaan.
So juicy and so crunchy.
Juiciness,
Chicken ng pili.
juiciness and crunchiness. Ang mabuti. The
Yeah.
best chicken joy in the Philippines. Mr.
Philippines,
Jollibee.
Philippines na pala ka. Alin? Ay, ganun ha?
Ito pala.
Ako
May
din,
bibig na
mami.
siya na.
Ako din.
Ate kayo ah. Ate kayo dyan, ate. Kumain na.
Babayan.
Bato guys, bato.
Ay.
I will put it on the floor.
Guys, extra rice.
Yes. Only rice in this house. We're gonna eat only rice. But not sinangan. It's white rice.
Yeah.
Let's fight.
Good girl pa.
Kuha ng ano niya. 407. Pictures, smile. 1, 2, 3. Ewan ko baka nasa pagpadan eh.
The pictures.
So big chicken, I'm still not full. I will.
So very yummy.
Thank you for the chicken joy.
Thank you for the chicken.
You know I like chicken.
Dalawang pizza.
Save the chicken.
Dalawang pizza.
Okay.
Dalawang pizza. Thank you for donut.
Smoothies.
Ay, ano ba yan? Wala ko ba yung mic mo?
Ano? Hindi, kita kasi sa ano.
Hindi ako umiyak!
Tingnan namin yun.
Kuya, please, smoothies. Oh.
Kuya, please, smoothies.
I'm still standing, almost finished.
I'm finished.
Yes,
I'm
because small.
finished. I'm finished. I'm
She is
finished.
very... Oh, tumal... May tumalsik.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
Wala ko na yung flavor ko sa pagkain nyo.
Labo. Wala tapos na dun eh.
King crab yung kay Princess eh.
Soon. Okay, I'm done. Bye guys and see you later.
Alam mo na ba?
I'm still standing, almost finished.
Don't not be ready.
Last bite and I'm done. Because it's almost good.
Hirap na ako.
Hmm?
Pay to
Order nyo yan lahat.
Sarap.
Okay guys, look out. I'm finished. It's very simple. I'm done.
Ano yun?
I'm gonna eat this carbonilla.
Ah.
Oh my god.
Sige na, kain na. Kumakan ka. Ayun na. Ayun, may pizza. Oh. Ay, nakakain ka na ng pizza.
May patinin? Ito.
Salamat po sa mga nag-donate. Charot. Time lapse.
Ate ang sabon.
Maunggol na kumakain.
I'm done, guys. And I will eat my pizza.
Kain ko na yung donut. I'm done. Ha?
I'm done.
Bye guys.
Ano pala niya pa? Yan.
Sabag ko.
Mamilin. Mamilin. Walang matcha.
Matcha, yung green. Matcha nga yan. Matcha yan. May inano akong flavor yan eh.
Ito coffee.
Masarap yung kay Princess.